Welcome to this tutorial on how to monitor Debank charts. A comprehensive guide to help you navigate and understand the platform. Debank is a popular tool for tracking and analyzing blockchain data, providing valuable insights into cryptocurrency markets and decentralized finance protocols. To start monitoring Debank charts, first, you need to access the Debank website and create an account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, you will be presented with a dashboard that displays an overview of the cryptocurrency market, including prices, trading volumes, and market capitalization. The next step is to select the specific chart you want to monitor. Debank offers a wide range of charts, including price charts, liquidity charts, and transaction volume charts. You can choose the chart that best suits your needs and interests. When viewing a chart, you can customize the time frame and the type of data displayed. For example, you can choose to view data from the last hour, day, week, or month. You can also select the type of data to display, such as price, trading volume, or market capitalization. To get the most out of Debank charts, it is essential to understand the key concepts and terminology used on the platform. For example, you should be familiar with terms such as market capitalization, liquidity, and transaction volume. You should also understand how to read and interpret the charts, including identifying trends, patterns, and anomalies. In addition to monitoring charts, Debank also provides a range of tools and features to help you analyze and understand the data. For example, you can use the platform to track your portfolio, set price alerts, and receive notifications when certain market conditions are met. Best practices for monitoring Debank charts include regularly reviewing and updating your charts, using multiple timeframes to get a comprehensive view of the market, and combining chart analysis with other forms of research and analysis. By following these best practices, you can gain valuable insights into the cryptocurrency market and make informed investment decisions. In conclusion, monitoring Debank charts is a powerful way to stay on top of the cryptocurrency market and make informed investment decisions. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the tools and features provided by Debank, you can gain a deeper understanding of the market and stay ahead of the curve.